In this video, we're going to find the solution to the given system of equations by substitution. Even if they hadn't told us that that's the method that they wanted us to use in this problem, it is still a really good choice for this question because our second equation already has solved for x, so x is on its own. So when we say that we're going to solve the system by substitution, it means we're going to take what we have for x in this case, and we're going to replace the x in the other equation with that information. So instead of saying x plus y, I'm going to have 2y minus 7 in the x spot, and then I have my plus y equals 5 gets carried down from the other part of the equation. From here, we're going to be able to solve for y because now y is the only letter that's left. To do that, we'll combine like terms on the left side. 2y and y give us 3y. We still have a minus 7 and an equals 5. So again, we're trying to solve for y, so we're going to add the 7 to the right side. When we add 7 over, we're going to get that 3y is equal to 12. Final step for solving for y is to divide both sides by 3. This gives us that y equals 4. Now, that is a fabulous piece of information, but we are not quite done. Because for these problems, we do want our final answer to be an ordered pair or a point, which means we need to know both the x and the y. So we're going to take this y and we're going to plug it back into one of our equations so that we can solve for x. I like to plug it into the one where x has already been solved for. So in this case, since we know x equals 2y minus 7, we can replace the y in that equation with the 4 we just found. This gives us 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So now we know that our x is 1. In fact, if you check that in the top equation, x plus y equals 5, since x is 1 and y is 4, they do add together to be 5, so can be really confident in our answer. So at the end here, we just want to make sure we write our answer in the correct order. Ordered pairs always go the x and then the y. The x is 1. The y is 4. So the solution to our system is 1, 4.